Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with pig out" idiom. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me clear up any misconceptions about the literal meaning with a possible example of a misunderstanding situation. Imagine someone saying, "I'm going to pig out" when they're at a fancy restaurant. This could be misunderstood as being rude or gluttonous. The idiom "pig out" means to eat a lot of food in a greedy or uncontrolled way. It's often used informally and in a humorous way. To remember the meaning easily, think of a pig eating sloppily and without control. This will help you remember the image of someone pigging out. Let me tell you a story to help you understand the idiom better. John was on a diet but decided to pig out on his cheat day. He ate a whole pizza, a bag of chips, and a pint of ice cream. Afterward, he felt guilty and bloated, realizing he had pigged out. He decided to go for a run to burn off the calories. Did you know that pig out is also known as stuffing your face or eating like a pig? It's often used in a humorous way among friends. Let me share some example sentences to illustrate the idiom's usage in different contexts. Example: I'm going to pig out on pizza tonight. The speaker plans to eat a lot of pizza in a greedy or uncontrolled way. Remember, you can rephrase the sentence without using the idiom. For example, I'm going to eat a lot of pizza tonight, or I'm going to indulge in pizza tonight. Let me share a real-life story highlighting the impact and effectiveness of the idiom. My friend used to pig out on junk food every day. After she started exercising regularly, she stopped pigging out and started eating healthier. Now, she feels better and has more energy. Here are some similar expressions you might find useful. Stuff your face. Eat like a horse. Feast on something. The opposite of pig out is eat like a bird. This means to eat only small amounts of food. Other related idioms you should know include: bite off more than you can chew. Have your cake and eat it too. Chew the fat. Let's test your knowledge with 3 quizzes. Quiz 1: what does pig out mean? Option 1: to eat a small amount of food. Option 2: to eat a lot of food in a greedy or uncontrolled way. Option 3: to eat only healthy food. Answer: Option 2. Pig out means to eat a lot of food in a greedy or uncontrolled way. Quiz 2: what's the opposite of pig out? Option 1: eat like a bird. Option 2: eat like a horse. Option 3: eat like a pig. Answer: Option 1. The opposite of pig out is eat like a bird. Quiz 3: which of the following is a similar expression to pig out? Option 1: chew the fat. Option 2: eat like a horse. Option 3: have your cake and eat it too. Answer: Option 2. Eat like a horse is a similar expression to pig out. To sum up, pig out means to eat a lot of food in a greedy or uncontrolled way. Remember to use memory aids to help you remember the meaning. Practice using the idiom in sentences and try out similar expressions. And don't forget to share your story with the idiom in the comments below.